tang hadir tang nak kendiat minit bagi arngut ki MLA berang sujom nak kaseng HSPDP kata apa syakliar warjri nama federation Mercedes dekhar kila ja kensan nak kejingalang jong baro kesengsan partai kiba khlem kontup ya ka NPP bat BJP kibala dakawi kejingmut kila rai ban ya perkhat na ban thapan thawi ka sorkar ka khlem don artli kinek kesengsan partai henrai kini ke arngut ki MLA jong HSPDP kila shet kela Plak ya ka parti hak wakil lain ban ajing kyrshan ya ka seng NPP bakan nyalam ke sorkar layo iba kini ke arngut ki MLA jong HSPDP kila lain ban ay ya ka sithi ban ajing kyrshan na ka bentak NPP bakan nyalam ya ka sorkar ran ban presiden jong ka HSPDP uba kepi panjang long maka jing syana kaliang ka parti asaban sim ya kana karai ulah de syong suai ka jingalang bat ki arngut ki MLA jong ka parti nak umta banyak perkhat banyak thayu ka ya kata ke sorkar ke bakhlem ke BJP bat kumju ke NPP kubulai phi baro kinong pe jong ka channel sangat uperta kumurang menta na kaliang jong ngiran kana ka hakayeng jong bu menteri sorkar barim jong ka jela wa ak menremboi babat dekat tenat kampoi jong ka jela ngila yo iba kiba bun kisang san partai kiba ketum na ka ITC ka UDP HSPDP ka PDF VPP berkongres kelawan lang mentakasngi banwan yatai hak rukom kata ban permi ya ke sorkar ba mendon ke NPP ba mendon ke BJP ngala iba mena menstab ki MLA jong baro ki parti kelapoy kana kecakah rai kumlang mentakla bersengop thu ba ki arngut ki MLA jong ke HSPDP kila shet kela ya ke parti hak ba ke parti kelarai bandon berkena bat kana ke kenhun rai ngilayo jing tiap ke parti kenapa menta kila lej ban ajing kyrshan ke sorkar ke ban nyalam dak NPP man aru ka jing ya ka sithi ban peniba na kaleng jong ki kum ki MLA ke HSPDP ki kwa bandon ber ke sorkar ban nyalam dak NPP katnya keren jeng baru presiden ulah ong bah hakapor baki lawan hangne klaya keren kumbalai kental laya kajnya keren henrai ndak kimi sendet khlem ajing tem bat kilai cenor hadu presiden ong ngilak persang ban keren bakafon henrai kim syam layo nomor bah ki sucaf ya kafon dan apa tak kubur babnya saya nang iPad usang terus ayat di kubur kabnya bar kebetikna
just kidding on a serious note
yes sir they are saying two of your MLAs are missing
allegation on your MLAs gone missing from this meeting if you can
see it is very unfortunate that we from the party leaders and all the along with the two MLAs this morning at 11 a.m. Actually, we came here in the residence of Mr. Lakman Ramboi, meeting with all the leaders of the various parties to discuss and to find solution how to form a new government in Meghalaya. But we are regretted to inform you that after 2 or 3 hours, they were here with us, but they have gone somewhere. Until now, we do not know where their space about. So that is the the information that we get right now. So we are very sorry that we do not know where their space about, and we are trying to find them, and we let us try to find where they are, and we want to speak, and we want to talk, and we want to settle if any problem thereof. So that is the message from the HSPDP party.
NPP bat ka BJP ki badai hi nakani kapi
Em ya kata ngam padla ban ong ye ya ka jing ngau jungki balai beki ja nang ni bat balai ban bat chenu kinyas kinya lej ban ya long perlok te nakaliang jungi kum ka parti him pala ban ong ye na marba ni dang don hang ni ban ye shong bat ki ban ya perkhat baraka por bakin don kini ki MLA bar khot jong kini ki pat ki parties te kilala ba jano te ngi himla panong ye hidu benta
lapawat iki
mentang fawat eh bat umne tang fawat ngila
P suspect ne am bagila let chakatai pat ko wai ka kam
hadu kene ke por mang hang ni bro sisi ngimla panong te ngi ong bangin tip kamatat ndang ngila wat jing tip ada ka parti hingin ya syong perkhat bagin wat jing tip sinu ki don balik gija ngam don jik tibi haba menin ngiwan baik nang thina ka konstitusi adin ban layo ban yo ko vote but Ngile poi me dishane kan rai kata ka jingle jungki sha ta sha no shino tingim lan jikti ekung ko party. Later me step in court given one ngin don ke jinglang hang.
Maybe filing FIR against them.
No, as of now we have no decision how to deal with this situation. But first we will sit in the as the party meeting and then we will take a call what to do. And
Are they in
what to
the
do.
other camp, NPP camp?
I cannot say as of now because we are the whole day we are here with them only. But recently they found they have gone somewhere, so we have no say about that.
Did they inform you before leaving?
No,
this
they
place?
did not inform us. That's why we are so surprising that they found that they have left this place without knowing by the party leaders.
In case they have gone and against them?
See, regarding that, because it is too early to to say. After the party has the opportunity to sit and to discuss about this matter, then we can say later on. But now we have no say at all what action can be taken against them.
Discuss before coming here with them?
Yes, this morning we met and we sit together and we have discussed that today will come today in this place in the residence of our former home minister to discuss the formation of the government. But I have nothing to say about what is the option or the decision that they have immediately taken by them only, not by the party. Because as I have mentioned that this morning they are with us only. Just now they gone wrong, so I have no say. I cannot say about that unless until we will find the fact why they are missing from this place and why they are going somewhere. So until unless we get the information from them or proper information, then I can say that I can inform you that.
What will be your next